Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change Amazon password. Now to begin the process, open the Amazon account in the Google browser. So first of all, open a Google browser on your PC. You can use any browser that you have been using. For this video, I am using the Google Chrome. Click open a new tab on the browser and there you type in amazon.com and press enter. It will direct you to the official web page where you will need to get logged in into the account of yours. Once you have been logged in, you need to click the profile name on the top right and there you click on accounts. Once you're at the account section, you need to click on logging and security. Click that. Now before you move forward with the process, you will need to type in the password. Then click on sign in. It will direct you to this page over here where you will be able to make changes to your account. So here what you need to do is on the password section, you need to click on edit. It will give you the option to able to change the password right away. So before you change that, you will need to type in the previous password of your account. Type in that password over here on this text box and below you type in the new password. Re-enter the same password as the new password for the password confirmation. Then click on Save Changes. This will change the password for your account right away. You can see the notification over here. You have successfully modified your account. So this is how you can change your Amazon password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.